Welcome to the True North Concepts Universal Mount install video. The Universal Mount is designed to allow for a wide array of popular holsters to fit our proven modular holster adapter system. For the purpose of this video, we will be installing the GCode Holsters RTI adapter plate onto the Universal Mount set for the MHA system. You will need to use hardware from both the yellow and white bag, as well as your original hardware from GCode. It is recommended to install the top two binding posts between the mount and the adapter first, before attaching the two items. When installing the RTI adapter, it is recommended to insert the binding post from the front face and the screws from the rear. Ensure that all mounting points are secured before attaching to the MHA system. Use medium thread locker once you've established your install positioning and test to confirm it is secure. Please refer to the website for more photos. Once the universal adapter is prepped for install to the MHA, the final binding post can be inserted in the bottom slot of the RTI adapter. This will effectively capture and tuck it behind the mounting plate. A final rubber spacer is placed between the MHA and the universal mount. Questions, comments, concerns, please contact info@truenorth-usa.com. Thank you for choosing True North Concepts.